Today we're going to help you organize your countertops, and it is a super cute tutorial. Hey Remodelaholics, I'm Cassidy. Welcome back to our DIY channel. Today's tutorial is for one of our favorite rooms, the kitchen. I see the cutest kitchen hand towels in all the stores, and we wanted to make a mini blanket ladder to hold a hand towel, so you can both use it and display those cute hand towels. We also put a twist on the idea to make a utensil holder for the stove too, with room for your salt and pepper shakers. Tell me, how do you like to store your most used utensils? Make sure you let me know in the comments below. Anyway, let's get building. All you need is a 1x2 board for each ladder. You can get all the specific dimensions and details in the free printable building plan over at Remodelaholic.com. We will have a link to it in the description box below. So first, the towel ladder. Cut the pieces as indicated in the building plan using a miter saw and a table saw for the angles. You'll have 2 long angled pieces, 2 short angled pieces, and 3 short straight pieces. Sand all of the pieces well. Now you're going to glue 1 short angled piece to 1 long angled piece to make 2 sets as shown. If you don't have clamps that work for angles like this, you can use a regular straight clamp like shown here. Next, you're going to mark the sides of the ladder for the rungs at the locations listed in the building plan. Glue the base piece, then lay the ladder on its side to make gluing and clamping the rungs easier. Let that side dry, then glue and clamp the second ladder side in place. Next, let's add some storage and make a utensil holder. For the utensil ladder, cut 2 long angled pieces, 2 short angled pieces, 5 short straight pieces, and 1 additional shorter piece. Use a table saw to carefully rip the pieces into smaller pieces as detailed in the printable building plan. Remember, you can download it over at our blog at Remodelaholic.com. Now, after you've cut the wood, sand all the pieces to a smooth finish. To assemble the utensil ladder, you're going to start the same as you did for the towel ladder. Glue the shorter angled pieces to the longer angled pieces, and then add the 3 rungs as shown. Next, measure, mark, and glue 2 pieces together to form the utensil holder base. Clamp to dry, then glue and clamp in place on the base of the utensil ladder. Now, glue on the second side of the ladder. To finish up, glue together the smaller pieces as shown. This will form the upper support for the utensil organizer, and glue that piece in place. At this point, you are all done building, and now it's time to paint. We went with a bright 2-tone finish in orange and pink, and it makes me so happy. But this is easy to adjust in any color or stain to match your kitchen style. Tell me in the comments below, what color would you use for your kitchen? Do you like it bright or do you like it neutral? We spray painted 1 color, then taped off and painted a second color. Peeling off the painter's tape is so satisfying. Let the paint cure and then put these 2 cute ladders to work in your kitchen. So tell me, what do you think of this mini blanket ladder idea? I think it is so cute. It turned out to be such a fun addition to our kitchen. And considering our kitchen sink is right in front of a huge bay window, it's a perfect addition because we haven't had a place to store our towels. Leave me a comment because we love to hear what you're working on, and we would love to create some tutorials that will help you get what you would like for your home done. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to click subscribe and check out our other kitchen organization tutorials here and here, and we will see you later next week.